Alright, welcome to another lesson. We are still on working with text. So this is the third part, and now we want to look at how to create character style. So let's go ahead and create a new document. So file, new document, and then turn off the facing pages. Page size should be letter, and then the orientation should be what you call portrait, and then you can do these settings: data 0.1667 inches, and then margin 0.5, and click on OK. Now what we want to do is that let's go ahead and add some text to it. So let's go to file, place, then bring in this fisherman text from working with text, the folder. So bring in this fisherman and show import options. Okay, check show import options and click on open. And now after that, just click here, remove styles and formatting from text and tables, because we only want the text, that's all. Then come and click on OK. And now to place it, just come to the corner here, hold shift and then click to just place it for you. So I want to be fast over here. I don't want this to waste much time with this. Now let's select all, and let's try to come to the character style and add spacing after the paragraph. So spacing after, this is the spacing after. Okay, when you go to come to the character style is over here, and it's the paragraph formatting controls. Then let's add spacing after paragraphs. Okay, so that it becomes very simple for us. Now let's go back to the character formatting controls. I want to use power pins, so I want to use power pins and use power pins regular and make this 14. Okay, so there are more of the text are hidden. When you see the red signs over here, it means that some of the text are like they have been hidden. So I have to make sure that I show all of them. So now let me go ahead and come to my character style, paragraph style, and then let me reduce the spacing and see whether all of my text will show. Okay, let's go ahead and reduce the spacing. It's okay like this because we don't want to do anything much with it. We just only want to look at character styles. Now let me go ahead and zoom in, Control and plus to zoom in. Now let's say this fisherman here, I want to create a character style for it. With character style, like only you're creating a style for just a letter, okay, or a word. Okay, so this is a word. You can create for a word fisherman. You can create a style for just a. Okay, so that's how to create character style. So now we want to create character style for this now, so that it makes changes to fisherman. Now fisherman, I want to change the fisherman. So let's say I want it to be poppins. I want it to be bold. Let me say black. Okay, yeah, I want it to be black. Yes, I just need the same color. So now I'll select it. You go to your windows and you come to, now what I want to do is that I want all the fisherman test, or I want to use this fisherman test. Like we have a fisherman here, so I want to do same to this fisherman over here with this. So there's no need for me to go here and then come and also do that bold, because maybe there may be a lot of fishermen in the what you call the story or the words that we have here. Okay, or the documents that we have here. So now what you do is that I'll just select it, go to Windows, and then come to styles, and then character styles. Okay, you have the character style over here, and you come and hold Alt and then click here to send you straight to where you can make the changes. So style name, I'll just say Fisher style. Fisher style. Okay, so based on none, okay, and then you can see that we have poppins to be the format, the text, the font that we used, and it's also black and the size is also 14. Okay, so you click on apply styles to selection and then click on preview and then you check okay. Now if I want to apply this character style to this fisherman, all I have to do is that I have to select it and then I'll click on facial style here and you see that it has applied to it. Okay, now what if there are a lot of these fishermen among them and I want to apply the styles to all these things? Then what I have to do is I have to find and replace. Now let's create a style for one word that I want to use is the boy, the. Okay, it is on how you pronounce yours. Me, I just, since I'm a Ghanaian, I just pronounce it the. Okay, the boy is going to school. So if you're Nigerian, I'm sure that you pronounce it D or so. So let's go ahead and select it, and then I'll change the style to, let's say, let me choose a new font, different font. I want to use, let me use Josephine Sans, and I'll change it to bold. Now let me change the okay, let me change the color to red, to CMYK red. Now let me create a character style for this. So I just come here, alt and click here, and then I'll say the style. So I want the style, so character style for D. Okay, so you can see that we are the font that we use. Kindly check this place so anytime you want to create character styles or paragraph styles or nested styles, so Josephine Sans bold, blah 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 blah, just check it, apply styles to selection, and then you also check preview. And what you do based on none, okay, based on none, and click on okay. Now you want to make sure that in the sentences they are all changed to this style, which is red, and also Josephine Sans and other things. Okay, so now what you have to do is I have to do find and replace, because I cannot come to what you call any word there to it and come and change it. No, it will waste my time. So let's see how to do it, to change all at the same time. Now what we will do is that we have the style over here, the fishy style over here. Now so we want to replace all of the in the sentences, like this one we want to change it to this. So how do we do it? So let's go to edit and then go to find and change, or find or change. Okay, then click on okay. Now what do you want to find? You want to find there, okay, so you click there over here, and we want to change it to, we are not changing it to anything, or maybe you want to change it to maybe there to these or they. No, we are not changing to that, but we really want to change the style. Okay, so now, so we are searching what the whole story. Okay, the whole story, yes. So now what else do we do? So we have to come to what we call the change format. Okay, change format, and come here and click here, and then change format to what we call the style. So okay, so you see that when you just come here, you see that you find the style. Anyhow you named yours. Okay, I named mine the style. So anyhow you named yours, when you come here to change format and come and click here, you see that you have the style in it. So it will be on none, and when you click here, you see that you have the style in it. Then you click on the style, and now you come and click on OK. And now what are we doing? We want to change only the in the, not the in the caps. Okay, the with caps. We don't want to change the with caps. We only want to change the with the small letters. Okay, now okay, so let's do this way. Case sensitive, that's what it's called. Okay, so now after doing all this, make sure you check that everything is correct. So they should be on test as usual. Now find what, it should be there. Okay, change to leave the space blank and search in story. Now you also have to check case sensitive, and then change format to character style, the style. Okay, now after doing all these things, all you have to do is that you just have to click on change all, and now see what are popped up. We have search is completed, 43 replacements made. Okay, and now you click on OK. So now it will change everything. Click on done, and now you can see the changes that appeared over here. So now that's one way of creating character styles and changing them. Okay, so we'll move on to what we call nested styles. And nested styles, we want to look at how to nest styles into styles. So when you have object styles, you want to look at how to nest paragraph styles to object styles. You want to look at how to nest character style into paragraph style. So that will be in another lesson. Thank you.